cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Wagwan wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious, mouth-watering recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some Jamaican style brown stew steak. Yes, I'm telling you guys, this recipe right here, it is a must try. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. I know that your family, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy it. Please guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it to someone that you know will enjoy it. Now keep it to yourself. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Stay tuned. So guys, just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read a Bible verse for you all, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. It says from Isaiah 40 verse 31. So this is the word of the Lord. Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagle. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. Amen. Guys, I pray that you all is blessed by this word. I love you, but remember that God loves you so much. Stay blessed, and thank you all so much for the hearing of the word of the Lord. So guys, in my glass bowl right here, I've got at least 3.5 pounds of my steak. I have at least over 1.5 tablespoons of my fresh thyme, at least 1 stalk of scallion that I finely chop, garlic, at least 4 cloves of garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, but you know, say we're not gonna use everything because we all know that scotch bonnet pepper is really spicy. You only need a little bit, or just add it to your liking, okay? And these are my sweet pepper, and this is half of the sweet pepper, guys. I have the red, the yellow, and the green, okay? And as you can see, this is how I cut it. You can cut it in whichever size. Also have some onion, this half onion that I finely chop, also 1 tomato or tomato that I cut, of carrot. As you can see, I cut it also. Pimento seed, otherwise as allspice, and this is over 1 teaspoon that I crush it up. These are my seasoning. Here I have 2 teaspoons of my garlic powder. I also have 2 teaspoons of my jerk powder seasoning, 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my paprika, and at least 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of my black pepper, okay? If you don't have all the seasons that I'm using, you can use whichever season you have at home. It doesn't really matter. And guys, I also have some fresh ginger that I cut right here, and this is 2 teaspoons of my ginger, okay? So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut my steak. They were in the fridge, so that's the reason why it looked like that. Gonna cut it like so.
The kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey!
So all my steak is all cut.
Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious.
So guys, my steak is already washed and clean in some lime juice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend up my seasoning. Just gonna add it like so. I'm gonna leave back a little bit for my gravy, this amount. Then I'm also gonna add my onion, leave back a little bit, scallion, my ginger, my garlic. Cut up my fresh thyme. It's already washed. My scotch bonnet pepper. I add at least 2 teaspoons of my scotch bonnet pepper. I'll just add a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. And my pimento seed. And my browning. You can also use dark soya. At least 2 to 3 teaspoons of my browning. Then I'm gonna take my nice clean hand, guys, and I'm just gonna massage all that seasoning all over on my steak. You can always use a glove. So guys, it is nicely seasoned. You can leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes or overnight. It all depends. But as I always said on my channel, guys, once you season your meat, your chicken properly, it will still be delicious. Trust me, you can just cook it as it is right now. It's the way you season it, and that will determine the taste of it. Yeah? So that's done. So guys, now I'm gonna add my steak to my pot. So to my pot, I add at least over 2 tablespoons of my oil. I use olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then I'm gonna add my steak. Space it out. So guys, I'm just gonna leave it like so, uncovered, for at least 4 minutes, okay? Just for it to sear off. Yeah. I'm gonna put my stove on a medium to high heat. So now guys, I'm just gonna stir it all in. I'm gonna leave it uncovered for another 4 minutes, okay? So guys, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it makes a lot of liquid. It looks so good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my tomato and my carrot, add my remaining onion and my remaining fresh thyme and scallion. I'm gonna also add my sweet pepper. Just like so. At least 1 tablespoon of my ketchup. I'm gonna also add some of my oyster sauce. At least 1.5 tablespoons of my oyster sauce. I'm gonna add some honey, at least 1.5 tablespoons of my honey, just to balance out the taste from the ketchup, and some of my browning, just to give it, you know, some more color. Yeah, I add at least 2 teaspoons of my browning. So this is the bowl that I use to season my steak. So to this bowl, guys, I'm gonna add at least 1 cup of my water. I'm adding water from my kettle. I'm gonna mix it in, and I'm also gonna add some of my dark soya. That's it. Gonna add my remaining seasoning. Mix it in. Just gonna add it. It looks so good and it smells so good. Absolutely delicious. This is, guys, a stew, brown stew, pepper steak. Yes. So guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover it up for at least 10 to 15 minutes and it is ready, good to go. Okay, let me cover it up. So guys, it is all finished. Oh my god, absolutely delicious. This is so mouth-watering. It looks so good. It is cooked to perfection. Perfect. I'm just gonna turn off my stove, then I plate it up and I show you guys what it looks like. Okay,
subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody Cooking, delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen.
so now guys, as you can see, I'm just gonna plate it all up. I'm telling you, it came out perfect. It is cooked to perfection. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. If you try it, please comment below and tell me what it's like. Okay, also give this video a thumbs up and share it, guys. Do not keep this amazing recipe for yourself. I'm sure that your family, your friends, your next door neighbor might like it also. Look at that gravy. Oh my gosh, super super yummy. You can serve it with some rice and peas, some plain rice, some mashed potato, whatever of your choice. I thank you all so much for watching this amazing recipe. Until next time, bye. Please also hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. Okay, love you all.